Okay, let's jump into the story of one very special letter. Sometimes being different can feel a little lonely, just like it did for our friend.
So, this is X, and one night he was all alone, feeling pretty useless.
While his friend Y saw him and wanted to know what was wrong.
X told him he just didn't feel important like the other letters.
But Ya saw things a little differently, and he wanted to help.
Y said, being rare is what makes you valuable.
Think about it. X gives the word X-ray its amazing power.
Right then, their other friend, W, heard them and wanted to join in. We said, look, V and I sound alike, but we both have jobs to do.
We also pointed out that even silent letters are super important.
W's point was simple. Every single letter matters.
So they showed X a few more reasons why he was so special.
For one, he starts the word for this awesome musical instrument, the xylophone.
And he helps make a word that means something is truly amazing, extraordinary. As X listened to his friends, he started to get it.
He realized that being different wasn't a bad thing at all.
In fact, it was his greatest strength, and he was proud to be X.
So that makes me wonder, what makes you extraordinary?